only seeing the balanced power plan on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. Here's how to restore missing power options in just a few steps. Solution 1. Edit the registry to unlock full power options. First, go to the search bar and type Regedit. When it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if you see a prompt. Now, follow this path step by step. H-key Local Machine. Then System. Then Current Control Set. Then Control. And finally, Power. Once you're in the Power folder, right-click on the empty space. Click on New, and then select DWORD-32-bit value. Name it exactly. Platform AOS Override. Now double-click on this new value. Make sure the value data is set to 0. Click OK to save. The full registry path is listed in the video description if you need to copy it. Now right-click on the Windows Start button and restart your PC. Solution 2. Run command to restore missing power plans. After the restart, open the search bar again and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now, go to the video description, copy the command provided, and paste it into Command Prompt by pressing Ctrl+V. Press Enter to run it. Once it's done, type Exit and press Enter to close the window. Solution 3. Check if power plans are restored. Now open the search bar again and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel, then click on Hardware and Sound. Now click on Power Options. You should now see the High Performance, Power Saver, and other power plans restored. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.